See these chronograph hands? They're all over the place, but in just a moment we'll have them perfectly aligned again. Let's start by understanding what each hand does. The small hand at 6 o'clock shows the running seconds of the watch. If this hand is moving, it means the watch is working properly. The black central hand measures the chronograph seconds. It starts and stops by pressing the upper button. The red central hand counts the elapsed minutes of the chronograph. The small hand at 2 o'clock measures the tenths of a second. Finally, the sub-dial at 10 o'clock records the elapsed hours. Now let's correct all 4 hands. First, unscrew the crown and pull it out to the second click, the time-setting position. Press the upper button to move the central seconds hand, setting it exactly at 12 o'clock. Then, press the lower button to align the tenths of a second hand precisely to 0. Next, push the crown all the way in, then pull it out to the first click. Press the lower button to set the red minute counter at 12. And the upper button to set the hour counter at 12 as well. Push the crown back to its normal position and check. Everything should now work exactly as it should. Notice how the tenths of a second hand doesn't run continuously. It only activates when the chronograph is stopped. This feature is designed to save battery power. As the black seconds hand completes 1 full revolution, the red minute counter jumps forward by 1 step. Press the upper button to stop the chronograph. Press the lower button to reset all hands back to their correct positions. Finally, screw the crown back in, and your chronograph is ready for use. Thank you for watching.